Mitro, what's up? Welcome to Rants and Reviews. This is Vivek here, and today we are going to talk about one of the biggest fears that has engulfed the citizens of this great nation. Today we are going to talk about what happens if Arvind Kejriwal asks for your degree. A few days ago, Delhi Chief Minister and a record time dharna holder Arvind Kejriwal created a major storm on Twitter when he claimed that Narendra Modi has actually cheated on the entire nation, and the whole nation went berserk after this accusation. He later revealed that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi does not have the degrees that he had claimed in his 2014 election affidavit. According to Arvind Kejriwal, Modi is supposed to have finished his BA degree from Delhi University in 1978. But according to sources of Arvind Kejriwal, this all is very untrue. After this news, a bunch of Modi Bhakts started chasing Aap-Tarts with Trishul, while the rest of the Modi Bhakts decided to keep a Maun Vrat until these allegations are proved false. While the Aap-Tarts were busy accusing Prime Minister Modi about his degrees, the rest of the citizens of this country reaction was something like this.
अरे भैया सुने हैं कि नहीं?
का
केजरीवाल वाला इल्जाम लगाया मोदी के ऊपर कि उसके पास प्रिय की फर्जी डिग्री है।
अरे भाई हमको तो मालूम ही नहीं था कि उनके पास डिग्री भी है। हम तो सोचते थे कि वो चाय बेचते थे।
अरे नहीं, हम न्यूज में सुने हैं कि उसके पास मास्टर्स भी है।
ये तो खेल हो गया यार।
Most of us had this knowledge dawned upon us that our Prime Minister Modi doesn't have one but two degrees. And personally, I was kind of really happy when I came to know this. I'll tell you the reason why. For a person to raise to the level of a Prime Minister from a chaiwala is a truly inspiring story. However, what is more inspiring is the fact that the person completed his education and then went forward to complete his graduation as well as his masters. Now, soon after this news broke into the media, a very old clip of Modi emerged in which he claims that his educational degrees are only till 10th standard.
आपको कंप्यूटर पे काम करना, इंटरनेट पे काम करना, अपनी वेबसाइट बनाना, इन सबका बड़ा शौक है और बीजेपी में बहुत कम लोग हैं जो इस तरह से टेक्नोलॉजी से प्रेम करते हैं।
पहली बात तो मैं कोई पढ़ा लिखा व्यक्ति नहीं हूँ।
कितना पढ़े हैं आप?
वैसे तो मैंने 17 साल की आयु में घर छोड़ दिया। स्कूली शिक्षा के बाद मैं निकल गया। उस तब से लेकर के आज तक मैं भटक रहा हूँ नई चीजें पाने के लिए।
सिर्फ स्कूल तक पढ़े, मतलब प्राइमरी स्कूल तक?
हाई स्कूल तक।
हाई स्कूल तक।
However, this was not the complete story. The full-length video went something like this.
स्कूल तक पढ़े, मतलब प्राइमरी स्कूल तक?
हाई स्कूल तक।
हाई स्कूल तक।
बाद में हमारे संघ के एक अधिकारी थे, उनके बड़े आग्रह पर मैं एक्सटर्नल एग्जाम देना शुरू किया। तो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से मैंने बीए कर लिया एक्सटर्नल एग्जाम दे करके। फिर भी उनका आग्रह रहा तो मैंने एमए कर लिया एक्सटर्नल एग्जाम से। मैंने कभी कॉलेज का दरवाजा देखा नहीं।
After this degree explosion on social media, Amit Shah and Arun Jaitley of BJP released the documents of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the press. However, AAP came with a counter-attack and claimed that these degrees were forged. In defense, AAP claimed the following 2 points. The name of Modi in two different documents have been spelled as M-O-D-I and M-O-D-Y. The second point that they presented was that the final exam was taken up by Modi in 1978. However, the degree was conferred to him in 1979. Incidentally, it came to the notice of media that Modi's marks were really bad, and he had written back papers in almost all the semesters of his BA. BJP gave this reason as to why Modi's degree was conferred in 1979. Modi was actually busy writing 2 subjects that he got back in 1978. Soon after this announcement, engineers all over India started celebrating. Finally, a PM that could share the pain of writing back papers just like they did. Which is nice. In the next election of 2019, 90% of engineers are expected to vote Modi only because of this quality, that he got backs. अरे यार संजीव, तेरी भी तो आई थी बैक। तूने भी तो 1 साल एक्स्ट्रा लिया था ना कंप्लीट करने के लिए। मुझे बीच में क्यों ला रहा है यार? क्योंकि तेरे बीए में डिफरेंट नाम था, तेरा एमए में डिफरेंट नाम था। यार तेरी डिग्री फेक है, तेरे को पता नहीं है तेरी डिग्री फेक है। मुझे बीच में क्यों ला रहा है यार? तू अपने वीडियो पे ध्यान देना। Okay, sorry. Anyway, this information took a rather funny turn on Arnab Goswami's show when Ashish Khetan gave the following reason as to why Prime Minister Narendra Modi has such low marks.
Point is, if this is a forgery, as Ashish Khaitan claims, show me one paper which does not match with the other. And the second point, the commonsensical question was this. If it is a forgery, then please tell me, why would anybody forge the marks and say that they failed in certain years, in certain subjects, and they had to do supplementary exam? If you're a perfect forger, you say, I got a first class first degree.
It a ring of genuineness.
That's
What?
what I was
To
asking.
give it a ring of genuineness. To
No,
make
no, no,
exactly the
stop.
kind of argument that
To
you
make
are
it sound
making.
genuine.
To make the kind of
Seriously? Ring of genuineness? What is this, Ashish Khaitan? That's like the most stupidest thing I've ever heard in my life. What is that supposed to mean? Are the degrees supposed to have a halo ring around them? So if Modi has low marks, that is because he wants to create a ring of genuineness around his degree and he wants other people to believe him? And if he had got high marks, then you would have told that it's too perfect to be true. So incidentally, according to you, if someone gets high marks or low marks, his degree is going to be a fake. No matter what. Ashish Khaitan clearly doesn't understand what it is like to get such low marks. Maybe he doesn't understand the fact that Modi's marks are so low that he wouldn't even got the entry-level government job. And what is the point of having such forged documents which couldn't get you even a decent government job? Now, based on my personal experience, let me tell you one thing. Such low marks can only get you embarrassed in front of your parents because Sharma ji ka ladka who lives right opposite to your house scored 90% in his exams and you got only 60. Or in this case, just 36%. Now let me tell you one amazing fact. Modi became PM so that his mother would stop telling how great Sharma ji ka ladka is. Incidentally, Sharma ji ka ladkas are the biggest pain in the ass for the entire nation. Let me tell you another great fact. The previous fact is null and void. After this incident, Arvind Kejriwal was also seen distributing these degrees. मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, बैंक बैलेंस है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? हाय।
हमारा पास, अरे हमारा पास केजरीवाल सर्टिफाइड डिग्री है।
अरे दोस्त, यार मेरी भी दिला दे। कहाँ से मिलती है ये डिग्री? मेरे को भी
टेंशन
दिला
मत
दे।
ले, दिला दूंगा। बैठ, दिला दूंगा।
भाई, लैपटॉप ऐसे पकड़ते हैं।
अच्छा, ऐसे पकड़ते हैं?
हाँ, और वहाँ से ऑन होता है। दबाना जरा उसे।
अच्छा।
जोर से थोड़ा सा।
अच्छा।
हाँ। I just have two sincere requests to Arvind Kejriwal. For the love of God, please stop reviewing movies. There are so many people on YouTube like us to do that. And the second one, stop with the accusations already. From the day you have come in power, you have been accusing random people.
आपको मुकेश अंबानी को यहाँ बिठाना चाहिए, वो नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, कभी नहीं आएगा. He gives a damn to this entire democracy. He gives a damn to this entire process. मुकेश अंबानी ने पैसा भी जमा करा दिया. He has admitted his tax default. करें, मैं मुकेश अंबानी के अकाउंट का नंबर भी आपको बता दूंगा.
हम मोदी जी से और भारतीय जनता पार्टी से ये जानना चाहते हैं कि बीजेपी ने और मोदी जी ने किस किस चैनल को कितने कितने पैसे बांटे हैं.
हमें दिल्ली पुलिस दो, हम ठीक करके दिखा देंगे. मोदी जी ने पुलिस अपने पास रखी हुई है और करते कुछ नहीं है.
I think the only people left who have not been accused by you are शर्मा जी का लड़का एंड अन्ना हजारे. और मुझे तो लगता है अन्ना हजारे के भी दिन करीब आ रहे हैं. Bottom line of this entire rant was the fact that it really doesn't matter if our PM has a degree or not. Heck, it even doesn't matter if he has a fake degree, as he is going to be our PM for the next 3 years. But when such trivial issue arises in the media, it sends into background the real burning issues of the society, such as that of Augusta Westland issue, or that of farmer suicide, or that of the droughts that has been happening all over the country. These real issues need immediate solutions and they need it fast. Sadly, these issues are being overlooked for cheap political allegations and desire for limelight of some politicians. Here's hoping that the focus is back on such issues and we move ahead of our differences. So friends, that was the rant of this week. Do let us know what do you think in the comment section below. Also like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos in future. Peace out.